So, pag-aaral natin for today is about entry grammar ng nasaso and somonai. Nasaso or i-adjective, i-omit lang po natin yung isang I, ilalagay po natin yung ku, then add natin yung nasaso. So, ang ibig sabihin nun is doesn't looks like. Example for nasaso, for an i-adjective, Miss Sarah is doesn't looks like young. Sarah-san wa wakaku nasaso desu. For na adjective, add ja or dewa plus nasaso desu. For example, that man doesn't looks like contented to his life. Ano hito no jibun no jensei wa manzoku janasaso desu. Okay, for noun naman, after the noun, lagyan natin yung ja and nasaso desu. He doesn't like a teacher. Kare wa sensei ja nasaso desu. The next for the verb, somonai. Okay, para kay